Today, we're going to spice things up as I walk you through how to change your Pinterest theme. If you're ready to give your profile a fresh new look, you've come to the right place. Let's dive into this step-by-step guide. First, open the Pinterest app on your smart device and make sure you're signed into your account. Now, it's time to add some personal flair to your profile. To get started, tap the saved icon in the lower right corner of your screen to access your profile. Next, look for the profile icon in the upper left corner of the screen. Go ahead and tap on it to enter your Pinterest settings. Once you're in the settings, find the Account Management option and tap on it. This is where the magic happens. Now, scroll down to find the App Theme option and tap on it. Here's where you can express your personal style. If you want a darker, moodier look, choose the dark theme. Or, if you prefer something brighter, stick with the light theme. And just like that, you've given your Pinterest profile a new look. And there you have it. You've successfully changed your Pinterest theme and added a personalized touch to your profile. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more Pinterest tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.